John, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Emma. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been pretty good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work and studies are keeping me busy too. By the way, where do you work these days?
I work at a software company downtown. We're developing a new app.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What kind of app is it?
It's a language learning app. People can practice English, Spanish, and a few other languages.
Wow, that's amazing. I've been trying to learn Spanish for a while now. Maybe I should use your app.
Haha, sure, I'll send you the link. How's your family, by the way?
They're doing great. My brother just graduated from university last month.
That's awesome. You must be so proud of him.
Yeah, I really am. And what about your family?
Everyone's fine. My parents are planning to visit me next month. I'm so excited.
That's great. Are they coming from your hometown?
Yes, from Chicago. It's been almost a year since I last saw them.
Wow, that's a long time. You must really miss them.
Definitely. I can't wait to show them around the city. Maybe we'll go hiking or visit the beach.
Sounds fun. I also love hiking. We should all go together sometime.
That's a great idea. Let's plan something for next weekend.
Sure, I'm free on Saturday.
Perfect. Let's meet around 9 in the morning. I'll bring some snacks.
And I'll bring drinks. It'll be fun.
Deal. By the way, have you watched the new movie that came out last week?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really funny and the story is nice. You should watch it.
Okay, I'll watch it this weekend. Maybe after our hike.
Sounds like a plan. Anyway, I have to go now. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
All right, John. Take care and don't forget to text me about our plan.
Sure thing, Emma. See you soon.
Bye, John.
Bye.